Hi guys, welcome to one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cornmeal cake. Cornmeal cake is really popular in Brazil, which is where my mum comes from, and they call it bolo de fubá. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, so let's begin. For this cake, you will need 1.5 cups of cornmeal. You can use any type you want. We're going to use this type. You need to use self-raising flour, 1.5 cups as well. You need to use 1 cup of oil. You will need a blender. You will need a sieve and a bowl. You also need a wooden spoon. You'll need a cup, 1 cup of sugar, 1 spoon of baking powder, and 3 eggs. And you will need 1 cup of milk. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get 1.5 cups of flour and you need to put it in the sieve. First you need to put 1 cup and then you add the half a cup after. So then you get 1.5 cups of your cornmeal, put it through the sieve and put it in the bowl with the flour. So then you get 1 spoon of baking powder and you put it in the sieve and put it with the cornmeal and the flour. And then you put 1 cup of sugar into the blender. So now you put 1 cup of oil, of sunflower oil, into your blender with your sugar. Then you crack 3 eggs into a cup and you put it in the blender with the oil and the sugar. Then you get 1 cup of milk and you put it in the blender with everything else. So just a quick recap, you need to put 1.5 cups of flour into a bowl, 1.5 cups of cornmeal into a bowl, 1 spoon of baking powder into a bowl, and in the blender you put 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, 3 eggs and 1 cup of milk into the blender. Then you get some butter and you get like a pan to cook your cake in, and you get the butter and you spread it all around the pan, even on the sides. Then after you put butter on the tin, you get some flour and you put it around the tin like this as well, so it goes on top of the butter and sticks. This is how it should look like. Then you blend your mixture. If you want to, you can put 1 spoon of aniseed inside the mixture. I recommend it because I really like the taste of it. You can or you can't do it. It's your choice if you want to put it inside. Then you put the mixture into the bowl. Then you mix it starting from the middle and then you go into the sides. This is how it's supposed to look like. Then you start pouring the mixture into the tin. So when you put it in, the mixture is all inside the tin, it should look like this. And then you turn on the oven to 100 degrees Celsius before you put the mixture into the tin so it can warm up. Then you open the oven and you put it inside the oven for around 40 minutes and we'll check on it later. After about 40 minutes, you check the cake by putting a fork inside. If it's wet and it has little bits of cake on it, it means it's not ready. But if it comes out clean, it means it's ready. So after you take the cake out of the oven, it should be in the oven for about around an hour, and it should look like this. It should be there for about 50 to 1 hour, and I like it like this because it's kind of like brown, so it's nice and like hard, not hard, but it's like toasty and stuff, and it's really nice. And I hope you guys make it, and I hope you like how it tastes, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.